What about if your burrito can tell your story? Your story. For National Hispanic and Latino Heritage Month, my burrito will tell you my story. Today, we're making Mi Camino Lomo Burrito, a Peruvian lomo saltado burrito with a California twist. It's Peru in the zizo, California in the creaminess, Mexico in the wrap. One bite, three places I love. I am Manuel Villacorta, registered dietitian, weight expert, and culinary dietitian. I have partnered with National Dairy Council to bring you this recipe, and we are in my Caliente kitchen. This burrito is inspired by three places that shaped me. I am Peruvian. Lomo saltado, ay que rico, is my childhood comfort. Beef, onions, tomatoes, and that chifa stir-fry influence that makes Peruvian cuisine proudly fusion. I live in California. Avocados are practically my neighbors. Creamy and heart-friendly. And I love Mexican food. The tortilla is our canvas, and queso fresco is the savory. Peru taught me food is fusion. California taught me fresh. Mexico taught me to wrap it and share it. That's my camino, my path, inside this tortilla. Now, let's get cooking. Into the blender goes cilantro, jalapeno, red onion, and lime juice. Now, cottage cheese. This is the move that makes it silky without heavy calories. A quick dairy note. Cottage cheese provides high-quality, complete protein with leucine to help support muscle and satiety, key for weight management. Queso fresco adds a clean, milky tang, and calcium plus high-quality protein that helps support bone and muscle health. Add a splash of cold water, pinch of salt, blend it until velvety, then chill in the fridge. Now for the sweet potato fries. Matchstick sweet potatoes, a whisper of oil, smoked paprika, salt, and then air fry until the edges go golden. This is my California swap. Smart carbs with fiber for steadier energy. And don't forget to shake the basket like maracas. Next is the beef. Beef gets soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, cumin, paprika, and black pepper. And now for our lomo stir fry. Your skillet should be screaming hot with light spray of oil. Sear beef in batches, about a minute per side. Now, onions and bell peppers in. 3 minutes, keep them crisp. Tomatoes go last. 30 seconds so they warm but don't collapse. Beef back in. Toss in cilantro. Season lomo saltado energy, lighter weeknight easy. And here's where the magic happens and it all comes together. Warm a low-carb, high-fiber 8-inch tortilla so they roll like a dream. Paint a stripe of our crema and 3 ounces of beef veggie mix. Then add 2 ounces approximately of sweet potato fries. A few California avocado slices for creamy, heart-healthy fats. Crumble a little queso fresco, a small amount, but big in flavor. Fold, tuck, roll. Like a tight sleeping bag, not a loose blanket. Now the best part, the taste. So good. Under about 500 calories and roughly 40 grams of protein. The combo of protein and fiber is for real hunger control and lean muscle support. And remember, the dairy here isn't just delicious, it works for you. With calcium and complete protein from both cottage cheese and the queso fresco. You better get those abs going and order the ingredients so you can impress your family tonight. If you don't have beef, swap in some chicken breast or pork tenderloin instead. Same method, still your camino. Visit usdairy.com to learn more about the benefits of cottage cheese and other dairy products. Feliz mes de la herencia hispana y latina. The full recipe is on my blog. The link is either in the description below or in my bio above. Thank you for watching and cooking with me. And remember, stop dieting, start living.